Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is May Peralico, 33 years old, married with two daughters, age 10 and 11 years old, and I am a high school graduate. I live in Parang, Maguindanao, Philippines. I have an experience here in the Philippines for 6 years, serving four members of the family, the couple, and 1 years old girl and 3 years old boy. My duties and responsibilities are the taking care of children, washing, ironing, marketing, gardening, and sometimes car wash their car. Mom and Sir, if I have a chance to become your employer as a domestic helper, I'll do my best and responsibilities to do my best and to guide them. I can protect your children and love as my own. Hoping to see you soon. God bless.